In today's video, I'll show you how to create a waitlist in Acuity Scheduling step by step. Since Acuity doesn't offer a built-in waitlist feature, we'll use a smart workaround that helps you capture fully booked clients and fill cancellations quickly. First, log into your Acuity Scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Now go to the Availability section. This is where you manage calendars and scheduling rules. To start building a waitlist system, click Add New Calendar. Name this calendar something clear like Waitlist Calendar. Next, configure it so clients can submit requests even when your main schedule is full. Set it to allow multiple bookings at the same time so everyone can be added as a request. After that, open your main scheduling page settings. In the scheduling instructions, add a message telling clients that if they don't find an available time, they can join your waitlist. Then add a direct link to your waitlist calendar so clients can easily access it. Now go to your email notifications or confirmation templates and update them so clients clearly understand they are joining a waitlist, not booking a confirmed appointment. Once everything is set up, save your changes. Now, when your main calendar is fully booked, clients can still join your waitlist instead of leaving your page. To manage it, check your waitlist calendar regularly. When a cancellation happens, open the waitlist entry and move that client into the newly available slot on your main calendar. Acuity will then automatically send a confirmation email for the updated appointment. Before finishing, test the system to make sure the waitlist link works and notifications are being sent properly. And that's it. You've successfully created a waitlist system in Acuity Scheduling using a simple but effective workaround. And that's how you create waitlists in Acuity Scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.